What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pre Not Fat with another video, man. Today's video, we're gonna do a Q&A. Got your girl,
CHAEBABY.
make sure you follow on Instagram and subscribe to her YouTube
At
channel.
CHAEBABYTV.
We all going up 2020. So right now, we're about to do Q&A. We got some questions. We on live as well. Yeah, I mean, so let's get to it.
Got time for God, got time for mom, but don't got no time for no silly hoe. Watch cause a brick, I drop a dime, round your head if you want some smoke. I got a gun, you got a fist, I think you know how this gonna go. I am the bomb, I am the shit, but I didn't come from no toilet bowl. Now down, back out, I'm take the cash route, I'm smashed out. I be the back out, I was locked up, getting pat down.
Featuring Kevin on live.
Question to Shay. How long you been doing YouTube?
How long have I been doing YouTube? I made my account last year, like the end of last year. I would say around November-ish, October. But I fell off the map with YouTube. But now I got some free time, working from home. I was like, let me pick this back up. So I restarted like 2 weeks ago.
Shit, I didn't even know you did YouTube. I thought you just started, no cap.
Yeah, I only made one video. And then disappeared.
Shit, for me, I've been on YouTube, but like I just never, like I always had an account, but I just never like, okay, I'm gonna do YouTube and post videos until like, I want to say a year and like maybe 3 months ago when I actually bought a camera and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do music videos. You know what I mean? That's why you see, if you go all the way to my page, bottom of my page, you're gonna see hella music videos. Yeah, so like, it's like a year and 3 months or so, something like that.
It's a long time.
It is a long time, but gotta put that work in, man. You know what I mean? C4, aka Ray-Ban. He said, "Would you rather be blind or deaf?"
Damn.
I'm doing that.
Yeah, I was gonna say deaf. Cause not being able to see, that's some crazy ass shit.
That's what I said.
Oh,
So,
That's what I said. What would I say? Would you rather be blind or deaf? Let me know in the comments.
well, are you introvert or extrovert? I'm a little both, but for the most part, I'm extrovert.
I was gonna say that, but yeah, I like being out and about.
Me too.
You feel me?
I used to be introvert.
But like sometimes I like being to myself.
Same.
I don't know. That's I'm gonna just say both. Fuck it.
That's why I said that. But still, I'm more extrovert. I like to speak up.
If there's one thing in your life that you could change, what would it be?
Damn, that's a
What would
good
be that
question.
one thing? Ain't gonna lie,
I don't have an answer.
I'm not gonna say there's a lot of things, cause like if you gotta narrow it down to like just one, it's kind of hard.
Yeah, I don't
But like,
have one.
there's a couple things that I'm sure everybody could change in their life.
I don't know if there's anything that I want to say. So I'm gonna just say.
Let me see. Shit, I don't know.
And you said it too.
I was just gonna say it's my own question. I don't really got an answer for it. I gotta really think about this one. I'm gonna come back.
He's not coming back to me. What's the last movie you watched?
Last movie I watched was it's not really a movie. It's a series on Netflix.
Well, that's not a movie, so think of something else.
Alright, so
We asked about no Netflix shows.
Bruh, shut your bitch ass up!
alright, last movie I watched was Bad Boys 3 or the last whatever, the US one.
3.
Yeah, that's the last movie I watched.
The last movie I watched in theaters was Invisible Man. That movie was so good. But the last movie I watched, like on Netflix, I guess, because I watched that more recent, was I think it's called Crazies or The Crazies.
Go crazy!
It's on Prime Video.
Kevon said, "What's the last toppings on a pizza that you had?"
Pineapples.
Pineapple.
I love pineapples.
I ate a pizza the other day.
See, if y'all go back to his old videos, you go see a mukbang of us. We was eating pizza and trust and believe it had pineapples.
It definitely had pineapples.
Pineapples.
We had a discussion like who likes pineapples on pizza. Like, what the fuck? I mean, it's not that bad, but pineapple on pizza, really?
Yes. At first, I was against it.
The last pizza that I had pepperoni. I didn't really buy it. It was just there to eat.
Just eating people's food.
I mean, my brother bought it, so yeah. Drop it. Let me know if y'all like pineapples on pizza. Yes or no in the comments.
What's a weird food combination that you like?
What?
I don't know.
A weird food combination?
Cause I'm more than sure I made some weird combinations and I cannot think of them. Especially when you eat in the middle of the night, you just hungry, you don't know what to eat. So you put anything together. Nah.
I don't really fuck my food like that. Like, y'all people, Americans, like to put hot sausage and chips. Like, that's just nasty.
First of all,
why would you do that?
You could do that.
That's nasty.
But I bet you ate it before.
Hell no, that shit
smells
bad.
Bad. It's not about the smell, it's about the taste.
That shit, ew.
Ruffles and hot sausage. I've seen people suck it out the bag. I've seen people suck it out the bag. No, it's bad. I promise you.
They put the chips in the hot sausage bag?
Yeah. Yes, and then suck it like they bite out the corner of the bag.
Bro.
Nasty. I would never.
I need to stop that shit. Especially Florida. I think Florida is the only people that do that.
For real, because that's where I first seen that. Even though I'm mostly in Florida still.
Right. Even though we live in Florida.
Yeah. I don't see nobody else doing that.
How tall are you? Fuck it. Everybody can ask me how tall I am.
How tall?
And I really don't know. But
we don't know their height.
I can give you a spectrum. Y'all heard that?
No. Alright. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, CHAEBABYTV. He gonna put the link in the bottom.
I know you.
And this video is done. Oh my gosh.
I'm like 6 feet, 6'1", maybe 6'2".
You're more than that.
See?
6'2".
How tall are you?
Listen, I got my height done like 2 times. 6'6". Someone told me I'm 5'8". Like another said nah, you're taller than 6 feet.
But I don't know.
Maybe like 6'2".
The last time I went to the doctor to actually like check my height, which was a while ago, I was like 5'11", and I was like,
you know how long ago that could have been? Bro, that's not like middle school height.
Nah, not even. That's like 11th grade, probably. That's like 4 years ago.
Anyways, because you gotta do better.
Yeah, I gotta go to the doctor.
I've been told I'm 5'7.5" or 5'8". I don't know. So around there.
5'7".
I feel like when I wear shoes, I'm 5'8".
I feel like anybody that's like 5'5" or shorter is short as well. But I mean, you like 2 inches above that, so you should be. Yeah,
I know I'm not short. I'm tall. I wish I was taller. I want to be like 5'10".
Yeah, average height.
Not for a female.
For real? What's average height for females?
Not that. Because, like, a lot of females I know shorter than me.
Oh, shit.
And that's just on average.
It's like 5'5", 5'4".
Maybe like 5'6".
Average height for females.
Yeah. What's a pet peeve that you have? Oh, that little stimulus check?
You talking about a stimulus check? Man, listen. We ain't getting no check.
You not getting no check.
All y'all out there think y'all gonna get a check.
Janae filed his taxes. That's why he not getting the check.
Keep waiting on it, alright? Keep waiting on it. That's all I'm gonna say. Keep waiting on it.
Don't say I didn't tell you.
Keep waiting on it.
You mad you ain't filed your taxes.
Exactly.
You owe the IRS.
Exactly, Kevon. Exactly.
What he said?
More ammo.
Listen, I don't need the check. But who don't want free money?
Yeah, man. For that check, $1,200. What's that number?
It's money you could add to your savings.
First
for
of
free.
all, you gotta take all the money out of the bank right now because they about to close all the banks. So,
Don't tell me that. No, I ain't gonna
you got
lie.
money in the bank.
I ain't gonna lie, my bank is not answering my phone calls. I've been calling them all day today.
They're closed. They're gonna be closed.
Debit card better work.
You better be lucky online app so it's still working right
Yeah,
now.
well,
Mobile
duh.
apps.
Cause that's how I do my stuff.
Why? The ATM. So sooner or later we try to go to the ATM, try to take money out. Nope. ATM down.
But on pet peeves, I hate when people can't admit that they're wrong. I
That's
hate
true.
people that don't have table etiquette, like eat all messy and shit, loud and like just being nasty. What else?
Not gonna cap. I eat like a child. But
I'm sure
not
you do.
saying, like,
That's pretty much all boys.
I'm
That
not
shit's
saying
annoying.
messy though, like my
Not messy
not
food
all-
everywhere,
yeah,
but it sounds like it.
But like, you know how some people like they eat and their bones in one corner and like you feel me? And their rice over here and
That's how
right?
you eat?
No.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
I'm about to
but
unfriend you.
Like it looks neat kinda in a way, you feel me? But like nah, my shit you got some shit over here, you got chicken.
Okay, do you drink juice with food in your mouth? He do.
I mean, in a way.
I find that shit so nasty.
In a way.
Nah,
Depends on what you eat, bro. Okay.
I wouldn't have.
Cause like, sometimes that should be dry. You need time to wash it down. So
That's so nasty to me. No, I can't. I'd rather swallow that shit.
A lot of food with like liquid, that's nasty. That's like fucking vomit.
That's what I'm saying though.
That's nasty.
So you don't have no pet peeves?
Nah, of course I don't. People gotta fucking. See, I just cursed. People gotta
You would like bleep over it?
Take responsibilities for their actions. And people that just lie for no reason, like why are you lying? For no reason at all.
Why the you lying?
Put that in
Why
there,
you always lying?
But yeah, I'm pretty sure there's more. I just can't think of them right now.
Mess around with him, we gonna be here all night while he trying to think. So let's move on to the next question. What's a random fact that you know? Like, give us a random fact. Let me think of mine from now.
I got a homeboy at work. Like every day when he comes to work, he come in and be like random fact, and then he give a random fact. Shit, I don't know no random fact.
You know something. Like, come on now, do better.
I know facts, but they ain't random.
It's random because you're just saying it. So just say a fact.
A fact.
Yes.
Is that I'm black.
Oh my gosh. You can't do nothing with black people.
That's a fact, ain't it?
Nah, you can't do nothing with black people. I don't even have a fact, but that's it's correct, but that's not what we
What's
need
a fact?
to hear.
Well, give me a random fact.
Okay, I got you. See, there's facts in your life.
Our necks as giraffes.
See, that's a fact.
That's a fact.
Thank you.
You still ain't need to give me a fact. You over here talking.
That's better than what you was doing. What?
But that's not from you though. Did you know that?
No, I'm too smart for this.
Wait a minute.
I don't even have a fact to hear.
Well, give me a random fact.
Okay, I got you. No, I'm too smart for this.
You stupid.
I still don't have one. No, I'm too smart for this. I gotta do better.
Yeah. Alright.
I know stuff.
Like a fax machine.
Fucking fax machine, my nigga. Facts.
Oh, I have a fact. I learned this in elementary school. See how far back I had to go? Like, I know you saw me just standing, like, sitting here. But anyways. Damn.
You lost the fact. She was talking this all.
Oh my gosh. Okay, President William Taft, he had a cabbage thrown at him in one of his speeches. There we go. It's a fact. I tried.
Alright, you know a random fact is that the Italian mob killed John F. Kennedy.
Is that a fact or a theory?
Nah, it's a fact. It's on YouTube. ago.
That sounds like a conspiracy.
Nah, that's on YouTube. There's an Italian mob.
Y'all look it up and tell
mob
me.
boss on YouTube talking about it. So yeah, it's a fact. I didn't say it. He said it. So I'm just saying it's already out. So yeah, that's a fact. The mob did it. I'm just saying. Alright, let me stop talking. Anyways.
They gon' flag him.
Like, anyways, you feel me? Like, hey, bro, don't take my channel down, please. I'm sorry.
Now we gotta create a GoFundMe for your account.
But nah, it's a fact.
Alright. Any more questions? Cause I'm all out.
No more questions?
I had no more.
No more questions? Yeah, I got questions. Drop some questions. We don't got no more questions. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, follow her YouTube channel.
CHAEBABYTV. Like, comment, subscribe, share the content, get the word out.
It's Boy White Pre.
It's Shay Baby.
I'm in this bitch.
And we out.
We out.
Where do we at with the smoke? I tell spliff, make my choke. Real bad man, no joke. Gun pa my waist, no hoes. Gunshot, Johnny, no ghost. Why do some boy them for know? When I take this on the road, think I'm the shit, yeah I know. Little baby, you a strong. Girl, don't hit my phone. I want no issues. I can't fall with you.